We win today, we're in a quarter-final. If it's the other side around and Meath don't win today, they're gone to the championship. So
for us, it's knockout, you know. We won one last crack at this and we've been working extremely hard during the week.
We're under no illusions. There's a dressing room up there for Meath. They have All-Ireland medals and league medals coming out the door, and we're a team that come from Division 2, 3 up now to 1. And
it's going to be a battle here today, but we're well aware of that.
Sin Tomonte Stock agus Haran Trasnon and son.
Very, very tough out there. Trying to get a couple of passes to play together were very difficult.
Tá Jackety better go chance of reaching son Sábhainte Haran Trasnon and son ag Roisin Byrne.
Yeah, they had him. We were in a great place at half-time, in fairness, but there was a lot of unforced errors from ourselves. Didn't help us. And
we just said this week we need to empty the tank. We had no other games in the left, so we had to really push it, and very proud of the girls there. They really dug it out in the second half, down to 14. It's not an easy task, so I think the girls really pushed on, and we got some really good turnovers there today.
Tarek and Van Laur Park Shini Marion Farley gus Hosha Shin Shoraha gus Nasta Haran Chasnon and Sonic Farley.
If we didn't get a result today, we were going out of the championship.
On kick pass or Vicky Wall, we should duck Krecha.
Ida gus Duggan le Shellevishtig and Son, Denny Coolin and one Ellen Cano, Denim Shamak, Emma Duggan le Sar Coolin Ellen V.
Look, we're just delighted to get over the line.
That's where you want to be this end of the championship. You want to be getting into the quarter-finals.
Knockout football next week now, that's what it is, and that's the championship we're going to look forward to.